how my hair looks like. It looks really red here on my roots. Everything else looks really nice. So as you can tell from the previous clip, my hair looks red. I'm sorry for the bad angle. We were actually in our car when I filmed this. I had to get the sunroof open and I was trying to get a certain angle so you can see that my hair looks red outside. As per my husband, he says that my hair looks completely red. He noticed it after I dyed my hair and got out of the shower. He told me I can see the red. I was like, oh my god. So I was so excited. This is how my hair looks like inside. As you can see, there are tints of red in my hair. Overall, I really loved the L'Oreal hair dye. Again, this is the Rich Auburn True Red box. It's about $8. I bought it at my local HEB. I'm not going to say that my hair looks like this red that's on the packaging, but it is a red and I love it. One thing that I noticed about this packaging is that it included a shampoo and a conditioner. So what I did was I washed my hair when the timer was up. I went and took a shower and I used the shampoo. I used it twice and then I put conditioner. When I got out of the shower, my scalp was still red. So I jumped back into the shower and I used my personal shampoo like 3 or 4 times to get the redness out of my scalp. I then once again used the recommended shampoo and their conditioner and it cleaned up my scalp. My scalp was not as red as it was before, but I really love how my hair turned out. The conditioner really helped. My hair feels very soft. My hair does not feel damaged whatsoever. I did not bleach my hair, so I am so happy about that because I know I've gotten many comments before that if I want my hair to come out the color of the box, like if I want my hair to come out this color, that I have to bleach my hair. I don't want to damage my hair in any way, even though I know I'm damaging it by using a hair dye, right? Because you can damage your hair from anything, from curling it, from straightening it, dyeing it, bleaching it. And I'm aware that if I want my hair to come out that color, I have to bleach it. But some people choose not to bleach their hair, and I'm just showing them how your hair will look like if you do not bleach it. Maybe one day I will bleach my hair and color it a red color so you can see how my hair looks like when it's bleached. But I've had a bad experience in high school when I bleached my bangs and I was going to dye my hair purple, and I remembered I walked into the church and I was with some of my friends before then. We decided that we wanted to dye our hair purple, so my friend, she bleached my bangs and then we put the color purple on there, and inside the house you couldn't tell that my hair was purple, you know. And so I showed up to church like that and my dad's like, what did you do? And I was like freaking out. And the next day I had to take my license picture, and throughout the whole process of my hair being purple, my hair was getting like literally white, super white. And I remember crying to my dad, telling him, can you please buy me a hair dye? Like, I want to dye my hair. He's like, nope, this is what you get. You want to dye your hair purple, then that's what's gonna happen. I go, I promise never to bleach my hair and dye it such a crazy color. So my dad went ahead and he bought me a hair dye, and I got rid of those white hairs real quick because it was so embarrassing, like having like dark hair and then just your bangs were starting to turn white. So ever since that day, I never used bleach on my hair ever. I learned my lesson. But yes, I am aware that you have to bleach your hair to get your hair a certain color, like a vivid bright red or any color. You have to bleach your hair. But again, this is an alternative for people who are scared to damage their hair, like really damage their hair. This is a good alternative, and I'm very glad that I picked this up. This is my first time trying the R68. Again, this is the Rich Auburn True Red. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also click that notification bell. I love you guys with all my heart, and I will see you next time. Bye.